Now, have you heard of T Levels? They're the post-GCSE qualifications which combine classroom learning with work placements and were designed to help fill the skills shortage in certain sectors. They've been going for 2 years now, but a recent survey found only 1 in every 5 people had heard of them. The government says numbers enrolling are increasing. Nadia Jani has been to Milton Keynes College to see how they work.
It's the second day of a new class and a new qualification. T Levels were launched 2 years ago in England. It gives 16 to 19-year-olds a mix of classroom and on-the-job experience.
There's a lot of work experience that comes with it, and I find it more educational for me than A Levels.
Quite into like cars and like Formula One and stuff. It's quite a good pathway into places like that.
Industry partners like SMC Pneumatics have teamed up with Milton Keynes College to provide on-hand experience.
It gives the student the opportunity to see many aspects of a business, whether it's the full order-to-cash process, the engineering process, design engineering, process engineering, production engineering, computer engineering. There are many facets, so the student gets a lot of opportunity to see those with different businesses, and then they can make a more informed decision of the direction they want to take at a later date.
Former Education Secretary Nadeem Zahawi brought in T Levels, hoping to be a bridge between an apprenticeship and an A-level.